Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Line account. So let's start. First, open the Line app. Now tap on the settings icon on top right corner. Then go to your account. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on delete account. Then tap next. Now you have to mark all the checkboxes. Scroll down and you'll see two more checkboxes. Mark those two. Then tap on delete account. Tap delete again. And it will take a few moments to delete your account. Once deleted, you will not be able to access your account again. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.